What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful trays for my bathroom using Dollar Tree products. So if you want to see how I made these trays, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So to get started, what you're going to need is some picture frames from the dollar store. I picked the gold ones up. And you're also going to need some E6000 glue from Hobby Lobby, a hot glue gun. I also got some scissors, some glitter paper from the Hobby Lobby, and some gem stickers from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So first we're going to take our picture frame and take all the contents out of the picture frame because we do not need them. Just going to remove everything. You see this little frame border was giving me a problem. That's okay. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to take out these black tabs because we do not need them either. As you can see, I got all the black tabs removed, and I'm going to take this glass out because we do not need that at all. So we're going to set that to the side, clean up our area. So as you can see, I have 2 of the picture frames all done. The black tabs are removed, and we're going to work on this last one. Just going to do the same thing and remove all the contents from inside. But this time I will keep the black tabs because we will need them. So now I'm just going to take my glitter paper. And I'm going to trace the size of the picture frame that I need out of the glitter paper. So now that I got my glitter paper all cut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the piece of glass and put that back into the frame. And I'm going to put my glitter paper inside. And then I'm going to take all the little extra stuff and put that on top of my glitter paper just to give it some extra support. Going to get it closed up, and we're going to rip that tab off because we do not need it, boo. And now that we got that, we're going to take our E6000 glue and we're just going to glue our frames together. Alright, so now she's all put together. We're just going to wait for it to dry and come back. Alright, so now that she's dry, as you can see, I'm just going to decorate it with these gems that I got from the Dollar Tree. That way we can hide that we connected some picture frames to make this tray. So this is the finished product. I'm super pleased. I went on and made 3 trays for my guest bathroom, and they're so pretty and so inexpensive because I use Dollar Tree products. I was so pleased with it that I decided to make 2 more trays for my vanity and 1 for my filming area. And the only difference is I bought some handles from Amazon and glued them to the top. But yes, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.